Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. This fog is amazing. I love foggy mornings.
I know. It's dense.
Did you just call me dense? I apologize for the cheap humor so early. Today we've got 4 portages, 3 pretty short ones and one normal size one. And then about 10 or 15 kilometers of lake paddling. And it's a train. This is the sort of morning I live for on trips. I'm not seeing anything super obvious for
Agreed.
a trail.
We'll go for it.
Yeah. There's a little...
That nook is the only thought.
Is that a trail? Is that a landing?
I think it is. I will go check before we unload though.
Okay.
You know, lessons learned.
Yep.
Ah, it looks mucky in here. It's a portage.
It is the one? Fantastic. So with yesterday's misadventures of finding the wrong portage, or what we thought was the right portage, and then unloading, discovering it was the wrong portage, and then having to reload to move like 20 meters to the other side of the water to get on the trail, we're a little gun shy now about unloading. We have a new policy that whenever we land, we always do a quick check to actually make sure it's the trail, look for a blaze, run down it a few feet to make sure it keeps going, then we'll unload. This site, I think we have the problem of just how the hell do we unload here?
Forgot what a short, easy carry looks like. That was snow down trees, took all of 20 seconds. I was like mentally prepared for a real portage today. And not yet. I'm sure we'll get there.
The hardest part of this portage at this point are the launches and the landings. The other side was very rocky and full of logs, and this side is full of logs and deep abysmal mud. Yeah. 160. Let's see if it's accurate.
Ready?
Let's go. So we're at the end of our 3rd portage of the day.
3 easy portages in a row.
It's been
pretty glorious.
It almost feels unnatural.
Yeah.
They've been quite pleasant, really. We have one more to go. It's probably 300 or 400 meters down this little creek, and then a little tiny lake. It'll be on river right, 500 meters, and a bit of elevation drop.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Last one of the day.
Last one of the day. And then lunch on the big lake. The last big lake of this side.
Then a train.
Then a train. Choo choo. We just landed at our last portage, and I mean, it looks like a boat ramp. In fact, there's a boat in the trees, so it might be.
Bugs are something special, but another gravel landing, so easy day of portages.
Yeah. Not even noon yet, probably 10, 11:30 or something.
Yeah, probably not even noon. So
yeah, sun's not all the way up yet.
been here a while.
It's been here a while. I mean, it looks like it's been here a while. I mean, look, the nose is all caved in. All right, one more lap, and we're on Bolkow. Nicely done. All right, quick costume change. Going into open water mode, so that means sun hats, sandals to try to dry our feet out a bit. We have about 15 kilometers of lake paddling this afternoon, which after all the in and out that we've done over the last couple days, sounds really good. I'm also very excited to get on the water because these mosquitoes here are really hungry.
So we're in Bolkow, which is supposed to be 15 kilometers long, and we've gone a kilometer, and it ended. Totally feel betrayed by this map. There is a spot through, which we can see now that we're close, but definitely a moment. Didn't even hit.
Right there. Are we officially on Bolkow now?
Apparently. Still. This is a beautiful campsite. Too bad we're only here for lunch. Why? Why are there 5 leeches on my feet now, in addition to all the others that I've had? Oh, there's a big one! Tim!
I don't have any.
Why do I have 5? He's attached to both ends. Where's my knife? This is ridiculous. It was like 3 seconds getting into the canoe. This one might bleed. I've had enough blood. This is not funny anymore, Tim. Stop laughing up there. You're shaking the canoe.
They're convulsions of sobbing.
Are they?
Yes.
They better be. This one better let go because I can't bleed out anymore. I'm not gonna be strong enough to portage tomorrow if I bleed out anymore.
I don't think I've ever heard your voice like this before.
Because it is ridiculous. I just found 5 more. I've actually lost count. Most of them were small. This one is not. I haven't checked my other foot yet. Okay. Stuck to my knife. Oh, 6!
Jesus.
On my left foot.
Just on your left foot.
Yeah, I haven't looked at my right yet.
Oh my god.
This is ridiculous. I can take my other shoe off so I don't miss anything. I must have stepped in a leech farm. I have no leeches on my right foot. 7 on my left foot. No leeches on my right foot.
How? What?
None. Only 2 of them were big. The other 5 were little guys that you just scrape. Okay, I'm done with my hissy fit.
Yay!
It's actually catching a bit. I don't think we're going very fast.
Your paddle.
It's all good.
We're good. We're good. We had a good like 20 meters of sailing there. Yeah, it feels kind of strange to be here because just a week ago this felt like such a far away place behind all the scary portages along the way. But now we're here. This is something.
Now there's a canoe.
Another boat.
Oh, another boat.
Yeah, this must be it. Stashed boats is a good sign. Road going up is a good sign.
We have made it to our last portage to the train. So our last campsite was non-existent. So we're gonna check this out and see if we can stay here, but we're hopefully done paddling for the day. And then tomorrow we start our day by portaging up and jumping on a train.
Keep on going. Two more sticks. Got it. So there's no rest for the weary. We set up camp quickly and it's already like 6 o'clock. So we're going to do one portage up with bare barrel and the canoe. And then that means that tomorrow morning we can go up and make the trip with one lap. So we don't have to come back. And then that way we don't have to worry so much about timing. We have all morning to do it, but I think both of us would kind of like to just get up there and hang out and relax for a couple hours and wait for the train to come. Nothing else? Ready to go?
Nope, I'm ready to go.
Let's do this. Maximum effort. Observing this path we're on, and it is very smooth and quite level, and there's a ditch on both sides. So the working theory is that this is basically a rail trail, and that there was a spur off of the main line where we're headed that went down to the lake. That would make sense. And also, why the hell would anyone make such a beautiful portage path like this? This is amazing. We are quickly stopping. We've been enduring these mosquitoes for the last little while, but they are bad.
It's in this pack?
Yeah.
You have one on your forehead?
Exactly. But like getting them on the back of our hands and our shoulders and all these areas. So we're gonna put our bug shirts on, our super nerdy, amazing bug shirts.
Ready for this?
You ready?
We got it. Oh my God, look at them.
They are, yeah.
Like, now that we can stand here and
there's
not
a lot of
run away.
mosquitoes, but they're still getting in the back of my hand, so let's keep moving. These are awful.
None of that.
Enough of this. World of difference already, but as Danielle pointed out, as soon as she pulled them out of the pack, they smell a bit. So we used them briefly on night one, way back at Whitefish Falls, because the mosquitoes were really bad there. And then we put them away and they're probably a little damp. And so they've been damp for a week and a day. Ew, little mildewy, but I'd rather deal with the smell than deal with all those mosquitoes all over me. A little damp. Oh, this is actually a creek flowing through here now.
Yeah, the water's
Yeah, we're here.
We're here.
And it's at the marked portage spot too.
One more tomorrow.
There's one more.
Wonder if that's a mile marker.
Let me drop the pack, let's check it out. It's a really good feeling to be here. And it'll be even better tomorrow when the train stops, picks us up.
Our reward for a single portage with no breaks minus emergency bug shirts is raspberries.
Oh man.
Oh.
Thank you. Oh, good.
Those are great.
Perfectly ripe. So there's something getting much louder behind us. That was so cool.
That was cool.
Now heading back down to camp for the evening. Bug shirts on. I just feel really cool wearing the bear shirt. That's the main thing.
Bug shirt?
The bug shirt.
Bear shirt?
Bear shirt. It's a bear shirt,
It protects
right?
you from bears?
Yeah, it smells bad enough, it might.
It might.
It's a good feeling to be here. Actually make it up to the tracks tonight. That was good. Makes it feel real now. We're closing the loop on this thing now. It's great. Probably next time you see us, we'll be up at the train tracks. Have a good night. My job at the moment is ballast. Darn beavers.
You can bully that stern.